Today, I'm going to show you how to create a custom price calculator for your Shopify store using AI. This will easily allow you to sell custom products on your Shopify store. Typically, you would have to add each element individually, add the configurations, and slowly build. With the new feature, you can create with AI. It will initially give you a few suggestions that you can get started with to brainstorm, or you can just describe what you want to build. I'm going to tell it I want a calculator to sell my flooring product by square foot. User should. You'll see now I sent that to the chat, and it's going to start thinking and tell us what is missing in order to configure this. So first of all, it's asking what's our price per square foot, and does it change by color, and what colors do we sell. So let's just say red is $5, blue is $10, and green $15. So now, after thinking, it has a proposal and it's asking if we want to add another option, but I think we're good. And the formula will be length time width time color. I can apply the changes and you will see it automatically apply to the calculator builder. So if I go in, we can test this out here. So 10 by 10 red. What I didn't like in this example was that the price is 0. So let's tell it that length and width must be 1 foot minimum price per order. Let's call it $10 and add tool tips for the inputs, explaining to the shopper what to do. It's telling me what's about to do. I'll review it quickly. Done. Now let's take a look. So the tool tips are here. Enter the length of the room in feet, width in feet, minimum is 10, and it's already 1. You can see here all the configurations that it did. You can keep on doing this for more and more use cases and change it based on your store's specific needs. If any of the responses are not correct, you can give it feedback, and at any point, you can contact support by clicking the button down here. Additionally, if you need one-on-one support to set this up, we will do a free consultation and implementation call with you, so just reach out to us. You can find us on the Shopify App Store or contact us at support@custompricecalculator.com. Let us know what you think in the comments.